recommended cell, and it established in 2006, and the aim was to oversee the effective implementation of policies and programs for disadvantaged groups, to provide guidance and counseling with respect to academic, financial, social, and other matters, and to enhance the diversity within the campus. And as I say, students from marginalized community came only after the implementation of Mandal Commission in 1992. So why we need an equal opportunity cell in campus? We need equal opportunity cell to stand unite with the students coming from marginalized section, to support students from marginalized community, to provide sessions, guidance, discuss caste, reservation, or problems in the campus without fear, to share our struggles to fight against injustice done to the students of underprivileged sections. As I said, EOC stands to create a safe space to the students from underprivileged community. Next slide. Okay. We have showcased some of our events. As you can see, we mainly conduct events and competitions regarding the topics in touch with marginalized societies, such as caste, oppression, reservation struggles, etc. Last year we had some talks and events regarding film. We had a filming session of Ambedkar. We had talk with margins of higher education, importance of reading Dalit Bahujan literature in academic spaces. We had a talk on OBC as a category, political or governmental. We had some competition called No Ambedkar and Phule Week, Periyar Week, such as you can see. With this, we are acknowledging our leaders and our struggles in the mainstream through our programs. And we have an annual fest, and it is called Bodhisattva. It conducts on the birthday of Baba Saheb Ambedkar, that is on April 14th. We can say it is a tribute to Baba Saheb also. We will have talks, exhibitions, competitions, and discussions for our fest. But alas, for the last year, we held it online and hoping for a face-to-face event soon. EOC focus to share our struggles, cultures, and views in academic spaces, but by all means to let the mainstream know that we do exist, we are capable of anything as they are, and we will not go backward with our life. We are daring, and obviously we will fight for justice and for our rights. We are not victimizing ourselves by raising our voice against discrimination. We are making others aware about our struggles and about our identity through EOC. And we have our Vice President Ashika, and she will carry on with the rest. Next slide, Rucha.
Okay, so first a request to all of you that please mute yourself.
I will mute Ashika, you can continue.
Okay. Okay, so Jai Bhim to all of you, all the students present over here. I'm Ashika Shivangi Singh, current Vice President at Equal Opportunity Cell Miranda House. And you know that every organization has their administrative unit. So we have student union at EOC 2. In the core union of EOC, as you have just known, Ansha Ashraf is with us, who's the president of EOC right now. And I'm Vice President, and treasurer is Fida Am. Because of some reasons, our members is not there, so we are there with you. And then we have extended student union having team heads and co-heads. Equal opportunity cell has 4 teams in total as per the structure of cell, namely academics and research team, creative team, logistic team, and PR team. Now we look into the works of respective teams. Academics and research team does work on researching content regarding events, Bahujan leaders, prepare text to spread, make event reports, whatever EOC conducts, as Ansha has just mentioned. And in current session, Sangeeta Rathod is team's head and Diksha Yadav is team's co-head. Now coming to the creative team, posters which you can see on our social media handles, and the PPT running on the screen, and several other visual works are done by creative team. Right now, Rucha Pramanik, who is just sharing the screen is our team head for creative team, and Siddhi Yadav is team's co-head. Now coming to the logistic team, logistic team's work is to manage the equipments required to conduct any particular event. But somehow we are in the pandemic era and we are conducting everything online, so they see that way as well. And this team have to look upon the events structure and ensuring the finishing of events smoothly. Right now, Rimisha, Simran, and Nishana are the team's head and co-heads respectively. PR, coming to the PR team, it works towards handling the social media accounts of EOC, spread our mission, and manages the collaboration we do with intra-societies of AMH or inter-society events within Delhi University. So this is what we have come to known about what is EOC, why is EOC, and how is EOC. Now I'm just going to put some general things on platter, that EOC is non-departmental society. Non-departmental society, that means doesn't matter from which department, from which course or discipline you are coming from. You can join us freely, irrespective of any course. For now, we have just provided the freshers WhatsApp group link. You can join our freshers group link. There we will be sharing the registrations link and all the information we are coming with ahead. Now, students who cannot join WhatsApp group link as of now can contact Ansha or me later via text. And now question is, who can join us? Students from reserved categories and non-reserved categories both can join us, but positions are always held by reserved category students, just as the mark of representation of students coming from marginalized sections of society. Here in EOC, we have worked towards representation of students coming from depressed sections of society. In the institution itself, we provide you space where we share the common struggles, sufferings given to us by socio-political and cultural oppressive system of the state, as we well aware of. And we discuss about socio-political issues connected with the marginalized sections of society. We listen each other, sharing identity backgrounds in Indian academia, struggle on ground, and create a space full of solidarity. So we are all here for you in Miranda House, Delhi University. Come without hesitation, contact us without any second thought. And here we have given our Instagram ID and our mail. You can contact us via direct message on Instagram or mail us, or even you can Rucha, can I have next slide, please? The last one. Yeah. So there are numbers too, Ansha, Sraf's and mine. So you can contact us with that too. And hope to see you ahead in our cell, where we'll be creating a safe space without any discrimination together. And thank you. So hoping forward, and Jai Bhim and Jai Savitri. I think Ansha.
Just to make that, I have shared the freshers WhatsApp group link in the chat box. You guys can join that, and we will share the registration link or membership form in the WhatsApp group. And that's it. So thank you all, JB. Please make Rio the host. Just a minute, there is a question in the chat box. You guys can join, like there is no number on how many societies you can join. You can join how much, like it's up to you. And anyone can join equal opportunity cell. There is no issue with whether it is you from general or reserve category. Anyone can join equal opportunity cell. And looking forward to work with you all, and thank you. Okay, please make Prapti host. There is no audition for equal opportunity cell. There is no audition for equal opportunity cell, WDC, societies like that, because we are not performing societies. There will be only audition for performing societies. And please make Prapti the host, and we can leave. Ashika, please make Prapti the host.
Yeah, hi, I'm the host now. Thank you.
Okay. For anything, please feel free to contact me or Ashika. I will put my